Today we'll be discussing the Earth's magnetic field, what causes it, how it makes life on Earth possible, and what can change it. As we know from class, a magnetic field is created whenever a charge is in motion. The easiest way to picture this is a current flowing through a wire, which generates a magnetic field radiating outward. The strength of this magnetic field is directly proportionate to the amount of current supplied to the wire and the distance from the wire.
The core, made of million trillion tons of molten iron, gives rise to the magnetic field. It acts as a conductor since the iron is constantly moving within the core. When you take a moving conductor in the presence of a magnetic field, electric currents get set up within inside the conductor. As you can see, this creates a loop. The magnetic field gives rise to the conductor, which I had said before is the molten lava, and then that in turn gives rise to the electric field. The electric field then becomes charged and affects the magnetic field and creates a stronger magnetic field that then creates the conductor to move faster and the electric currents to then move faster, creating this loop that is never ending. The magnetic field acts as a protective layer for the Earth, deflecting any solar radiation and solar winds.
As a matter of fact, the Earth's magnetic poles have been known to flip every now and then. On average, the poles are reversed every 300,000 years, with the last flipping occurring over 770,000 years ago. According to geological evidence, there have been 170 full reversals of the magnetic poles. During these times of polar reversal, the Earth doesn't completely lose its magnetic field. It just redistributes the concentration of charges to many different poles around the world.
As said, such reversals are unpredictable. We are not sure when we are due for another. But also this irregularity can cause the northern poles to shift and possibly be having a pole that moves more towards Siberia.
Looking at the facts, Earth is due for a polar reversal any day now. Fortunately, we don't have anything to worry about, as this is a common phenomenon. Earth's inhabitants have been able to adapt to these changes in the past and will continue to do so.
As the Starks say, winter is coming, but in our case, the reversals are coming.